What is it called again?
7 Magic Mountains.
7 Magic Mountains. We'll make them something magical. I'm not ready for this flight, man. About to be 4 hours. Are you ready for Vegas? I mean, it's just a simple yes.
Yeah.
Or a simple no.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're already at the airport now. I just can't hold my phone. I'm not used to this still. No?
You lying.
Hmm?
You lying. Why you holding the phone like that?
Because I gotta hold my phone. Why do you need to see you?
Why?
So, we landed last night. I don't even know when we landed. Right after that, we got right up in the lift and we drove to get the rental. And we came right here, and it took us an hour trying to find this lady's Airbnb. We walked around the neighborhood like 3-4 times. The lady didn't even know where her own apartment was, and we were in the wrong apartment complex. So we figured everything out. It's the next morning, 8:30. I figure out that I forgot the piece for my Mac, so I can take all this information off this computer and put it on the hard drive. So what we have to do now is go get some food, go get a couple of more memory cards for this camera, the drone, this time change thing. Jesus. What is it called again?
7 Magic Mountains.
7 Magic Mountains. We'll make them something magical.
Make a wish. Magical.
So you make a wish because they're magical, even though they're not magical? This thing is legit in the desert, yo. Like, this is...
We're in the middle of nowhere.
Can you see all this, man? Like, can you see all that? This is legit in the middle of nowhere. We came about 20 minutes out to see some colorful mountain things, some rocks. Drove 20 minutes to see some rocks. All right, if you want me to be really completely honest with you, we drove 20 minutes to see some rocks, and hopefully it's worth it. Hopefully it's worth it. Did you like it?
Yep.
Did you like the mountains?
I loved them.
What did you like about the mountains?
The colors.
The colors. So we just got done looking at the magic 7 mountains, 7 magic mountains. I guess that's how you say it.
7 Magic Mountains.
The fireplace. No. It's a good home, but I don't think this is it. Look, there's a lot of space. Backyard, not really that much of a backyard. You know, this thing wants to focus. Yeah, there's not that much of a backyard.
No, I'm gonna just wait till we see the best one. That's when I'm like, yeah, this is a dream home. Right?
There's a lot of jet noises. There's a lot of jets that fly by right by this house. So, yeah, this is the master bedroom. Very huge. A lot of space. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's cool. One of those. That's the garage. Other bedroom, very small. Yeah, this one got the mirror in it though. That's what I wanted. Yeah. First house. It ain't it. Ooh, I like it.
Oh, yeah, this is a nice backyard.
I like it.
You might actually be ready.
You see all this space? The step down? The wood to the carpet? To the tile? To the carpets? Oh my gosh. This is so much space.
They got the fire pit out here.
There's a fire pit out there. Hold on a sec. Let me just come out here. Let me just do it. Oh yeah. Got a little fire pit. In Colombia, you can't even do that.
I have that thing over it so it can't get too big.
That's crazy. I like it.
That's nice.
Wish I had a pool. All it's missing is a pool. I can mess with these appliances. Everything looks spick and span, brand new.
Bathroom. Oh, this is a pretty spacious bathroom.
Pantry. What is this? Like a little closet. See up. 2-car garage. A lot of space. That's a lot of space. Wow. I'm messing with this. This is nice. Yo. Alright, so downstairs is looking like it. I like that window up there too. Ooh. And this thing right here, that little
Oh, this is a big bedroom. Oh, yeah.
It's the king. I mean, it's the master.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
The
this
bed.
is
I like
so
it.
much. Whoa, what?
Look at this.
This is so much space.
Oh, yeah. Brian, look at the closet. What's this?
What's going on?
Oh, this is nice.
What's going on
I like
here?
this. This
Yo.
is bigger.
And she said that she didn't want to come look at this.
It's far out.
It's far out. Yeah, it's far out. This is North Vegas, but still, man, this room is big, man. This is huge. But they have like a little cubby or something like that.
That bedroom, though. That master bedroom. That's it. Might be the one.
This might be the one. This is winning. Yeah, this is winning. Valley of Fire State Park. I've been just going around just taking pictures and everything. I never explained what we're doing, where we're going, how we're about to do this, how this vlog is even formulating. I just whipped out the camera, been taking pictures this whole time, have never said anything. You like it so far?
Yeah.
This looks nice.
The rock?
Oh, there's more cars down here.
That looks dope.
Maybe there's a little trail or something.
This is crazy. It's called the ATL Rock. The only reason why I'm saying ATL is, yes, you guessed it, I'm from South Carolina. Oh yeah, this is what I wanted to see. You can't tell me this trip was not worth it now. This is so beautiful.